Today we are in Jones Landing.
Good morning, Jones Landing, and that's the Balmer's Landing on the other side. Beautiful ground, leaves on the ground, very colorful, beautiful reflections. That's the lake, that's the island that we went yesterday, and saying goodbye to this place after 2 days and 2 nights. We had a good break. Tree's already awake, and we're just having a breakfast. What are you guys having for breakfast?
Coffee.
Mini Weet-Bix.
Weet-Bix.
Kiwi favourite.
Skyflakes, our Kiwi favorite, and that's the Filipino favorite.
Yeah.
Oh,
Filipino
and my
favorite?
coffee.
Coffee.
Cheers.
Yeah, and I'm just nibbling on to my Weet-Bix too without a...
Oh, so you're like a Kiwi now.
Yummy.
Very good.
Yum. Victor's still on his? Woody. Yummy. That's the toilet and shower. Life's a bit enough energy, the waves, it says. Enjoy the waves. That's cool. They're already packing up now. It's going back to reality very soon. But look at this. Beautiful. It's not very foggy today. Yesterday it was so foggy. What an awesome accommodation, this one. Tent. Very lakefront. Waterfront. Looks like Victor's going to the playground. And we climbed that mountain yesterday to the viewing deck over there. And we had a big walk too, starting from there to lake, to the Arapuni Dam. We went to Arapuni Dam yesterday, 3.3 kilometers. 6.6 kilometers return, 3 hours, and there's a beautiful hidden gem to there. There's a waterfalls. Look at this. Awesome accommodation. Right to the wolf. Look at that. Beautiful. The water is just so calm. Wow, I never get sick of this view. Beautiful. And I can hear a cow just moved, and birds having a talk. It's not very busy because it's winter in New Zealand. But how cool is that? This is the Jones Landing, South Waikato, New Zealand. You are awesome.
Brought to you by the Gibsons. Follow for more.